প্রথম গোলের আকর্ষণটা দেখেন আপনারা দর্শকের, প্রথম গোলের আকর্ষণটা।
Doesn't speak English, at least not in public. He does a lot of commercials where he could have spoken a few words in English. He's a master of the facial gesture, and we never quite know what he's thinking. He could be a mime artist, really.